Words I always confuse and how I try to remember them. Hello everyone, how are you? Today I want to talk about something that has definitely happened to me and maybe to you too if you're learning English. Uh, those words I always confuse, even uh, though, though I've seen or heard them many times. Some words sound similar, others are spelled almost the same, and a few are just hard to pronounce. Sometimes it gets frustrating, but little by little I've been finding ways to remember them and not mix them up so much. One of the most common uh, confusions for me is between uh, borrow and lend. Uh, I know that borrow is when I take something for a short time, and lend is when I give something for someone. Uh, but even so, I still get them mixed up. To help myself remember, I think of this: can I borrow your book? Because I'm asking to take it, and I can lend you my book because I'm offering it. Uh, I also get confused with fun and funny. Fun means something enjoyable, like an activity. Funny means something that makes you laugh. What helps me is repeating this game is fun but not funny. So I understand that something can be enter and entertain, entertaining without being uh, silly or humorous. Another classic confusion for me is with prepositions like in, on, and at. Sometimes I'm not sure which one to use. To help with that, I learned some basic rules. Use on for days, on Monday, for example, and for months in August, or at four times at the 7 o'clock. Uh, I repeat this often to remember it. Now, something I really struggle with is the pronunciation and spelling of words with uh, th, 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 and gh. I don't know. For example, thought, 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 meaning at thought or idea. Uh, Though, meaning although. Uh, th- through, meaning through or across, throughout, meaning all over or during the whole time. These words confuse me a lot. They look very similar when I read them, and I don't always know which one is which. Sometimes I write one instead of the other, or pronounce them incorrectly. To try to remember them, I write full sentences and read them out loud. Listen to the correct pronunciation on the Oxford Dictionary. Link them to images or real life example. And most importantly, I repeat them over and over until I feel more confident. I also get confused by other similar looking or sounding words like lose and lose, desert and desert, accept and accept. All of these have small difference in spelling or sound, but completely different meanings. Uh, that's why I try to study them in context and not just as uh, individual words. Um, Mixing up words is totally normal when I learning a language. Mm, what matters most is being uh, patient with yourself and finding creative ways to remember them. Writing, repeating, listening, connecting, and practicing every day. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy me. Tell me in the comments what words do you always confuse and how do you try to remember them. See you very soon.